surprised. Where we are, usually it's really cold, or like a lot cooler.
Yep. So it means everywhere else boiling hot.
Yep.
Oh, a nice big fart on camera. That one's low.
I can't believe them being left in there.
Hey?
I can't believe them being left in there, like in the heat that we've had and stuff, that they didn't like explode or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Dump it in. Whoops. In would be nice though. You?
Oh shit.
Oh, it's fine.
This is the bag you were talking about, right? Asking if I brought it?
Yep. So we are not going to move. We're just going to stay here and enjoy all of this. We don't always have to be moving. Stop and enjoy. That's what we're here for, right? Listening to the ducks. Look at the lake. A couple of guys showed up and they're fishing. It's just a pretty lake. Yeah, so again, we're gonna stay put and enjoy the lake. Relax. It's just kind of nice to set up and stay set up. Just put your feet up, enjoy. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, with it being eerily quiet last night, does that mean predators were around? Usually it gets really quiet if there's a predator around. Predators? What is that? Wolves? Conservation officers said maybe the wolves are around. Bear? Sasquatch? Heard a couple of hoops over that way last night. Might have just been an owl though. Yeah, so cool. In the wild. Wait a sec. And then open up the thing. Have some breakfast. just because it's windy-ish, I'm just gonna move it over here. Come on over. And I'll just sit here and enjoy the view while I cook. There. And then
Got this little one then.
cut this. Sure.
There, your coffee's just up on here on the plate.
Where? Okay. Where's the, okay. Put that in the garbage. And away we go. Oh. If we weren't hungry, we were going to be in a minute. This is a pretty cool pan, this one. Bought it at the BC Overland Rally. Non-stick. I know, don't touch it. It gives me something to do while I'm sitting here waiting. I put the lids on when they're still full. Lids off when they're empty.
I'm just leaving this out because it's soaked.
Okay. Now they're all over the burner. I turned off the other burner because there's no point. I'll turn it on when we go to do the egg.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Just hear us talking and
Yeah.
maybe this sizzling in the background.
Smells really good.
Yeah. Eggs want to run away. These are almost done. Eggs will take a sec. Wood help is on. The new blow up kayaks. We're gonna give them a go this time. Phone mount, which can also be clip in and be fishing rod holders. There's another one there. Or like this one, phone mount, or put your GoPro on. So yeah, pretty cool little things. We're gonna find out in about 2 seconds how good they really are. They go along pretty effortless. I'm going to the island. There's another island over there somewhere. Let's go check it all out. Okay. I would have been okay with that.
Well, for you, it's okay.
Yeah.
No.
Point.
I just want this kind of one of the kayaks.
Yeah, I did that too. I went down and took a picture. Good ripple?
This is fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we haven't showed you Krystal's new awning.
Woohoo.
8 feet, 8 feet, and then out 8 feet. So we got good coverage. It's perfect hiding under there, and the new roof rack.
Again, woohoo.
Smitty built gutter mount. It's perfect for what we need it for. Basically the awning. And she can put a what are they called? Traction boards. I was gonna call them ratchet straps. So she can put her traction boards up there. And whatever else we come up with. But yeah, pretty nice new awning. So you can see. See there? And those ones are fairly big, but look at that.
Yeah.
And he skidded right.
What if it was... Oh,
See, like, look at the size of that.
holy.
But the fact that there's claw prints too.
Want me to help?
Sure, I'll carry this. Is it gonna be heavy? You want me to do it?
Grasshopper.
Ooh.
Geckos.
Huh?
For geckos.
This might go.